home automation system test bench. In this, we are going to control a home automatically. So here we have a layout. We'll little bit zoom in to see the layout. So this is a 2 BHK apartment. Here you can see. So this is the bedroom 1. This is the master bedroom, and along with that master bedroom we have a toilet. Here we will have a dining hall. This is the dining hall, and you can see the kitchen and utility here. Okay, and this is the entrance. So approximately you can see a 2 BHK layout. Okay, so in this we have a different type of lights in each room. For example, as this is a demo version, I have added a light in each room. For example, in the living room or the hall, I added dimmable LED, and also in bedroom I added dimmable LED, and in the master bedroom I added a non-dimmable LED, and in the kitchen I have a dimmable LED. Okay, so here you can see, sorry, non-dimmable LED. This is a non-dim. These two are dimmable LEDs, and these two are non-dimmable LEDs. Okay, and here I have a special switch. Okay, this is the DLT switch. I think we might have studied this in theory part. You might have studied about the DLT switch. This is a digital type of switch. Okay, so it is a touch type switches. So here, this switch we are going to configure in our application. Here we are going to see some two applications. Based on the application, this may change. This panel may change. This display may change. This display also we can make it colorful in our application. Okay, so in this, the main controller is this one, HAS panel. So this is the important panel which we have to see here. I think we might have discussed in the theory classes also. For switching on and off, we can use the relay. For this type of thing, we can use the relay. Little bit we can zoom it and see this HAS panel. So here you can see the C bus. Okay, so in this C bus you can see the controller here. So this C bus is meant for controlling the dimmable switches, because by switching on and off can be done by ordinary relay, but this C bus is required for dimming and brightening the circuit. Okay, so this we are going to configure. This is the important part of the home automation system, and here we have a Wi-Fi module to communicate wireless, and here we have the visor. Okay, so the beauty of this experiment is we can control by using the mobile app. For example, I will be having the same visor, for example Schneider visor, I will be having in my mobile. So from my mobile I can control. So I will show that visor in the app. Okay, so actually you can see the visor app in this. So through this visor mobile app, I can able to control my home. Okay, I think in many advertisement, for example, geyser of V-Guard, you might have noticed, by mobile you can switch off the things. Similarly, I can switch off from my mobile, and also through the computer also I can control. Okay, so once again I repeat, by two ways you can control this home. That is by means of an application based on the Schneider visor, and the second one is by means of the system you can operate the home remotely. That is the beauty. So here I may dim this light. This is a dimmable LED. So I can reduce the intensity of the light or increase the intensity of the light. These two. This is the non-dimmable LEDs. In this I can able to switch on and switch off. Here there is one more control is there. That is the curtain control. Okay. That is opening the curtain and closing the curtain. As it is a demo version, we have given a running LED. In case of real time, we will have a motor control for this. Apart from this, what are the things we can control? I think in the theory class I might have showed a video also. We can control the entrance, access control also we can do, CCTV control also we can do. And apart from that, switching on the geyser, switching on the TVs, and all the remote devices, we can do it in a single app, that is the visor. In this, what is your role? So you are going to configure all these devices, and you are going to control from your computer or from the mobile application. So this is about this home automation system. So this is applied in real time. So it is a real time venture. You can see that. So everything you can control remotely, and also here we are not using a normal type of switches what you are using, on off switch or toggle switch what you use in your homes. Here we are using a digital switch. Okay, so this is a digital type of switch. It has to be also configured with this C bus system. Okay, so whatever it may be, all the controls will will be in this CBUS system. Without this CBUS system, this is the heart of this home automation system. If this is not there, we can't control anything. Okay, and we should ensure that we have the good internet connectivity. If internet connectivity is also not there, the system won't work. That is maybe a drawback too. So we have to come with an alternative plan with this. Okay, so this programming we are going to see in this application.